in southern New England in July. We're doing some garden restoration. These were American boxwood that were planted about 30 years ago, and gone through different periods of being sheared and not sheared until they've lost their shape and become quite overgrown, and they lost their topiary charm, basically. So we systematically thinned the plants and then hand sheared. This first plant we used as a guide or a template for the other plants to match. This was pretty much an ideal shape. The other plants were quite out of shape, so we're gradually bringing them back. Actually, significant change from this morning, but so there's areas of further refinement here. The goal is always to maintain plant health first. So these we expect to further renovate. We might do that while they're still dormant, which would be late winter, early spring.